That is a drastic response. So I decided it's time to call in the eagle. So could you clarify what exactly an ex parte case is?
Ex parte is where you are the only side going in front of the court. Only one side is presenting their case. And you can imagine in an adversarial system that relies on both parties being there, that if you're the only one in the court, it's a whole lot easier to present your case than it is that the other side is contradicting the things that you are saying.
Right. That makes sense. But then in what kinds of contexts are you expecting to see ex parte?
For example, a domestic violence restraining order often happen ex parte because there are presumably real safety risks if both parties were there. So that's an example of something where an ex parte procedure is used more often.
Yeah, that's what's confusing me. This isn't that at all. This is a tech review where the reviewers have been critical to the brand, but also the guy behind it.
In the context of seeking an order preventing the disclosure of tech news or a tech news related thing, that would be basically unheard of.
He explained that ex parte, at least in the US, would require you to show irreparable harm, and that if in this context any damages created could be solved by just paying someone money, i.e. financial loss, then that wouldn't count as irreparable. But that's the US.
I do know that the laws are very different between the United States in particular and India. In the United States, you basically cannot be held liable for defamation if what you're saying is true. The laws in India are much more plaintiff friendly and they are much stricter, to the point where sometimes even saying something that is true can give rise to a defamation claim.
Okay, got it.